What nonsense be that?
So, you say make me, Ekutos begin to follow men outside. Make you talk again, make I hear very well, because I don't hear you.
I don't say make you follow. You say you wouldn't begin follow men. I say,
hey, Obinike. Now I know say you dey very wicked. You be wicked man.
I say make you fix yourself somewhere. No be more say now husband must find something for your wife. Most of the time when men they try to make them find something for your wife, you will see the man faint, die himself. Make yourself help me find. Not be only you are the marry. Help me find something. Do. Women they try some they fry akara, some they sell plantain, some they do so many things. Fish. Sell fish.
Not be you be my husband. Not be you they marry me. Not be you go find work for me. Make I dey do. Or something why I go dey sell. Not be you.
Anybody way they follow, make you follow better man. No bring if you bring us and men are doing outside. If you bring anybody here, now one leg could take them off for here.
You dey craze.
No bring our one here.
Now I know say that you are craze. Don't come again. Shameless man. Make who they want to make I go follow men bring money now.
No problem.
Come make I go follow men now.
Don't carry my things, go give anybody. When a person win price and well, I go to know how much the price before you give anybody. I may buy that thing as you carry work, so no waste my property.
Fine girl, no pimple.
Shut up!
Wait now, let me draw. You see, my name is Owaboto, but some people call me Udu. But I prefer that name Owaboto. I am from this village, but I did not grow up in this village. I just came back recently, so I know you.
Hey, Olama, so far that tagoma fufu. Hey, ochicha biara gidi, okia biara gidi. Even manwa won the coat I oyikwata. Wait, come to Kenigi. Just like any man you just take a good look at me very well. Olama the most beautiful girl in this community. So mo akile China ajumi heba fam. Come,
fine girl. You see, beautiful girl, stroke, beautiful boy. With a rapport together. And not beautiful. I forgot that I'm not a woman. Fine boy, handsome boy. I'm a fine boy, you.
God, why you they do me like this? God, why they do me like this? What's say machama? See, let me tell you, I know what you're looking for. You see, this my thing, It's not for useless people like you and Ekwe. So get out.
See you. Look at somebody I want help. You know even fine. Carry chain for waist like mad person. I won't help you. Brought you. Is it brought or bring? Out of darkness, whichever one. Out of darkness to light. And you're even doing guy for me. I be fine boy. You just look at me now. Just look at tie. American tie. Look at my cap.
Olama. People call you Olama. But I call you Olapes. Because I love you. Look, you are too beautiful that each time I close my eyes to sleep, I always see you. Olama, I so much love you. Please say yes to me, and I will take you out to go and enjoy yourself. Look, I have money to buy Nkobi. Nkobi is you, Kanda, now quarter, and Mamu Tenasaba. Don't say.
So didn't go around so there now go mokuya.
Hola, did he try to beat you? Did he try to beat you? Hey. Let me warn you. I have told you in this village, you people, leave Olama alone. You don't want to leave her alone. Who invited you here? Yeah. Who invited me? One day in this village, I will declare myself drunk and fire you. You are an interrupter. Send you to early grave. Who invited? You are an interrupter. You are an interrupter. If you near her again, how will you interrupt me? Allah, you are an interrupter. Let me warn you. I'm telling you. Leave Olama alone. You don't want to listen. Allah, you are an interrupter. Allah, you are an interrupter. Allah, Allah. Huh?
I'm the one who sent for you. You see, what I'm going to tell you, or rather advise you, if you do not find favor with my words, please don't throw me away. Throw my words away. Now, Devente, listen. I see you and rate you as a perfect gentleman. I don't like the way you drag Olama with all these village local champions. I know your wife died, she's dead, and you need to marry. Look for another girl and leave the Olama for all these crabs. Let them juggle themselves out of it. Understand?
Mazio, forgive. It's because of this advice that you didn't want to give me cola, isn't it? But not that's not the problem. Mazio, forgive. Let me tell you, I'm an adult. I'm an old man, just as you are, even though you're older than me. You understand? We're in the same council. Let me tell you, Mazio, forgive. Let God open your eyes. My problem with you is that you don't know that Olama here, God gave Olama to me. After the death of my wife, God placed Olama in her mother's womb and said, Anyedike, I have placed another wife for you in a woman's womb. Olama came and God said, this is she. She's your wife. You're blind. You don't see. You can't see that Olama belongs to me. So leave all this advice you're giving to me.
I see. Anyedike, let me tell you. To start with, the issue of cola I told you earlier. I didn't buy Atana. We used to eat with cola before. Don't worry, we eat that one. But I tell you this. What a younger man stands up to see an elder man, you sit down and see it. That's why I'm advising you. Look for another girl. Look for another girl to marry. And leave Olama for the local champions. Okay?
Master Fodire, now you're giving me proverb of what a child sees standing. An old man sees it sitting down. Forgetting that I'm an old man. Yeah? Let me tell you, leave all these things, all these giri bamba that all these small boys are doing. The God who is in heaven, his cloth is touching ground, but he's not wearing oversized that I'm serving. He will give me victory. He will give me victory over these boys, and Olama will become mine. Very soon, one day, Olama will come to you and tell you, Uncle, I have discovered my husband. When you ask who, you will open your eyes to see Anyedike. Lo and behold, it is me. So relax yourself. Let me leave now.
Well,
This is cola that you didn't give me today. Don't forget to give it to me tomorrow. No. Not like I'm forgetting. You understand? You're old, but your hand is strong. Your hand is supposed to be loose.
You are my Olam no go bring your house. Omali Chawam, Olam, Ibugobo.
I can see you're no more Ezenago, you are not Ifeb Nago. But let me tell you, you see this my thing. I have locked it and it will be only open when my Obodo Ibo husband has arrived.
Just about Obodo Ibo. Source Obodo Ibo. Look, I will go there one day. You know about all the men in this village. Check out. Also more for it. And I no let me love you.
Hey! What are you? You could have okay? But let me tell you. I want you to take this message to that your Mbadike. I mean, this stupid thing in between your legs. That my thing is not for people like you, but people from Obodo Ibo.
So, Ola, what you doing?
Ajien.
Ola mo. Olam, if I don't have you in this village, nobody will have you. Olam, what's the way?
My guy Nachi, come to think of it. This has been bothering me. See this girl, Olama. Let's find a way of getting her. Cause me, I'm dying for this girl. I am dying for this girl, my guy.
What you're saying is true. To be honest, that girl is indeed beautiful.
Ow! Something like that. That girl is something else. In fact, I have been thinking and wondering, finding the way that we will use in getting this girl.
Very simple. Yeah. Let's go. See, I believe that if we team up together as one, we will destroy any useless guy that wants to drag that girl with us. I believe so.
Yes.
You see your lives. You see? At your age, look at the type of discussion you are talking. Things that will destroy your future.
But now we are not saying anything bad now.
No, we are not saying anything bad.
Shut up! I heard all you were discussing. I've been here inspecting this building that I'm handling for somebody. And I heard all what you say, all the rot, all the nonsense you are discussing about woman. Let me advise you. You have to change for the better. Else, you ruin your future. Now, both of you, walk out from here and go and do something better. Be useful to yourselves. Leave it.
What are you doing here? What are you doing there? Are you the new gate man all of my employed to come and be taking care of this gate?
It's a more gate man.
Go and gate man, yes. What are you doing in that place? Are you stupid?
What are you doing here?
Huh?
Stop coming closer to my Olam house. What are you doing here? In Apana?
If you want me not to wonder your Olam again, what am I doing? If you don't come up from this place now, if you don't leave this gate now and go and mind your business, I'll break your head. I'm telling you, look at your small goatee. You look like my grandmother's e-goat. Yes! Remove your hand from that place, so I'm warning you.
Look, if I see you near this house again, I will deal with you. I will kill you.
Hey, who is talking about my Olama? I said, who is talking about my Olama? Olam. Look at me. Fine boy like me, no pimple. Take a good look from my head down to my toe. I am a fine boy. You people are not ashamed to drag Olama with me. Eh?
Who is talking?
I am talking.
So when they say now come and talk, you come and look at you. When human beings are talking, you're talking. I don't even know which size you possess. Alright, let's try something now. Put your hand on your neighbor's shoulder.
I don't need to put my hand
on your hand on your neighbor's shoulder. Look at you.
You are not normal.
When they say men, come out. Let us talk. Man to man. You will come out as a man.
Oh yeah, come they go.
Don't you have respect for yourself?
I said they go.
Let me tell you people. You people are the reason why in this village, Olama is refusing my proposal. And I'll tell you something. One day in this village, I will declare myself drunk. And I'll fire you people. You should get apple.
You will not do anything.
I will not do anything.
You will not do anything. I will not do anything. Come on, go. Come on. Are you? God. Come down from heaven.
Yes, hold him.
Hold him. You are blowing him.
Hold him. Hold him.
Hey. God, come down from heaven and say,
Ola, where can I release blood?
Ola. I called this meeting so that I know why are you causing confusion among the youth of this community. Now Koko is joining their heads together.
Confusion what?
Yes.
Please, me, I don't understand what you're saying.
You understand?
Mazi, I've been advising her on that. I'm sure very soon she will.
Ha! Dikokwe, Uloma, don't even try to cover me up at all. Because I you're wrong. See, uncle, me, I am waiting for that special man. That man that is coming from Obodo Ibo, that is coming to marry me. You see, all those stupid, useless, foolish men that is fighting over me, they are just fighting under their own foolishness because you see this chain, me, I'm not going to open it to until that Obodo Ibo man will come. Me, Ekuchakwala, I've said my own.
Is that so? So if I may ask you, when is this man coming to pay your dowry? I mean, the man from Obodo Ibo.
Don't mind this Alama that says rubbish at times. So even his brother that claims to see the man in the dream don't even know if the man is existing or not.
He doesn't know him.
She will change. I'll go about one.
Okay, hey, at least, Papa, I want the mother na chum, okay, na chum. You go there, you ole bia berry.
Alama, come on. My advice is to you to get married so that we don't record any deaths in this community. Sick because of youth fighting over a woman. As we don't go talk, woman.
Actually, deaths or deaths, and we can get Basam. My mom and a chimogo.
Becoming lazy like your brother. I washed these clothes this morning and I asked you to pack them. You're packing them now. Put this thing inside this bag and take them in. But Mama, why do you allow Wadegu to be following that useless girl Alama and her brother? My dear, your brother is just being stubborn. I've called him and advised him. Don't worry, I will call him in your presence. And you'll see how you'll be vomiting rubbish for you useless children all around. But Mama, he better stop throwing them around. It's a disgrace to this family. I don't know why Wadegu choose to be stubborn. Oh, don't worry yourself. You want to useless his life, let him useless his life with his useless friends.
Alright, I know that most of you here don't know the reason why I called you for this meeting. This meeting is not a meeting. You understand? This meeting, I called this meeting for peace. I called this meeting because I want us to be living in peace and harmony with our great money. You understand? Most of you here, the guys, you don't know the reason why I called you. You see all these beautiful girls that are standing here? I invited these beautiful girls for you men to make choice. Okay. You understand? In fact, I don't like this issue every time tumbling on top of each other because of Olamma. Who is Olamma? Is Olamma more beautiful than all these damsels we have here? God created these people well and gave them to us to inherit. These girls you are seeing, they are available. They are inside the market. In fact, grab your copy now before it is late. You understand? So I invited you guys to come peacefully so that we don't have any problem. Come and make choice. Take any of the girls, the one you like, take her home and make do with her. So that you people can live all for me. You understand? Very simple.
Hey! Every day new experience. I have had one today. Don't ever call me out for this rubbish again, no. I'm out.
Uju, this is not a quarreling matter. It's a solidarity talk.
Ayadege, you have spoken well. You brought a very nice suggestion. But before all these girls will leave one after the other here, let me choose one. I choose Norma. I choose you.
Hey, please don't choose me. Biko. I need a clean guy.
So you need a clean guy?
Yes.
So what am I? No. So I am now a dirty girl. Is that what I mean? Look at you. Ain't attacking crazy. Look at somebody I'm trying to help, and she's telling me, no, she's looking for a clean guy. Hey! Look at you.
I don't want you to take this thing personal. You understand? She just said you're not clean. What you need to do is just go home and bath.
You see, the worst thing that can happen to a man is to be in darkness. And every one of us in darkness. I pray that God deliver you.
Are you above deliverance? God will also deliver you.
If I say you know get sense now, they will say I can talk. So now because of this nonsense, that make you can't even come for this hot afternoon come here. Look, I had to get if you try this thing next hour, The kind of blow I will give you. Let me warn you, if I see you near my Olama again, if I see you in 1 inch, not about Olama, I will deal with you. Try me. No, just try me.
Come. You know I don't have a problem with you. There's no reason for me to talk back at you because you're already stupid.
Sir?
Yes! Your grandfather was a native doctor. He betrayed you to the shrine. Look at the way you're looking. Look at the kind of beers you have. Multiferous colored beers. No,
me.
So I don't have a word with you.
Adika, try me.
You're not normal.
Try me. No, try me.
I don't see her. So, Ayadike, this nonsense way they talk here since. Why make you call us? Even me, Uwaboto, the only fine boy in this village. You even included me and called me here. Then here since they talk rubbish. See, as you did now, you don't know you don't old. You don't know say you don't old Baba Yongi. So you see they see yourself as a small pikin. But make I tell you, you better go away. Very, very far distance from Olama. Because if you are in charge, if you would deal with you in this village, in fact, you will regret your life. So keep away from Olama. Last warning.
You know I won't talk to you also. You are Waboto. I'm telling you, trouble. Look at the Waboto. Waboto had their front three. When men are talking, Waboto will come and hey, after they go. Waboto that you are seeing here is a feeding bottle. If it were my wife were to be alive, I would have used this idiot as a feeding bottle.
Please, let's go. I don't have time for this nonsense.
No, I don't have that time.
I thought you would have chosen from one of these guests here. Since you brought the suggestion that we should forget about Olama, you two should forget about her too.
Are you advising me wrongly or correctly? That I brought you people here to choose somebody and leave Olama for me. Now you started talking from the other side of your mouth. If you are sounding very normal, now you're sounding like a broken record. Eh? I thought you were with me.
Anyadika, I am trying.
No wonder this girl said you look at it.
So I should come and go.
Maybe your papa. Now me go dey look for means where all my children will succeed for life. My suggestion now is say we go serve somebody.
Eh?
I say you go serve somebody when go settle you later. Then you go from there become human being.
No vessel. Repeat them again. What you just talk?
Thunder fire you. So as they talk, they even they ask me questions.
But sometimes they speak for Hebrew or in Latin language. Eh? See, Papa, make I tell you, I know they go anywhere. You charge him well over. You charge him well over. Charge him to Akawo. I don't go anywhere. I go stay for this house. So God, in His infinite mercy, could just throw down blessing. Bless me. They hear me so? A point of question, Papa. As a ridicule. I just the reasoning as man picking with your advice in Papa. You know what? Eh? I want to make you find better thing where you go do we go better our lives, even your own life. But can I get in and make it a blondo?
Mama, they tell me say I'm looking for sale. Or police looking for sale. From sale, take you to who you serve.
You know get money we go take it na money for police case.
Yeah.
Make I leave.
Come out, not for here now.
Make I go. Eh?
Come out for here.
You go there lonely yo. Come here go nibo.
Sometimes I go want beat this boy. I go to ask where I want beat him.
Advice.
We don't mind begin kind of throw for Ghana like ball like this. I'm not sure somebody picking this one. I'm not sure. I look at this boy go DNA. Because you don't even resemble anything come up with my face. I'm not saying I'm outside, but they won't even with it.
Hola. Come. Don't near how. Hola, come back here.
Hola.
Return match.
Oma, it is very obvious that you are really training your dogs very well. Because their voices are increasing day by day. You are really doing well.
You are calling us dog.
Come. I knew I couldn't come on. Yeah?
Hola, let me ask you one simple question. Hola, why is it that you always allow these urchins to embarrass me in the public? Eh? Why?
So it's my brother and his friend you're calling urchins? Okay, let me ask you. Anyadike, what do you want from me?
Thank you. Hola, I will answer that question. But tell these vagabonds, these hooligans to leave us.
Huh? You call me? I'll cut
it. I call them hooligans. They are happy, they are angry. I call them vagabonds, urchins. They want to fight. Okay, let me change species for you. Tell these animals to leave us.
You're calling us animals, eh? I'll kill you.
You want to cut my head? Cut it. Cut my head. Yes, cut it. Cut the neck. Eh? Cut it. If you cut it, if you're a man, cut this head.
Calm down. Ayadike, what do you want from me?
Ola, you know that I love you so much in this village. Ola, what I'm asking for you is just for you to say yes. Just say yes. In this village, I will so protect you in this village. No evil can befall you. So just agree for me and I will make you happy.
Ayadike, you see this thing you're looking at? As you can see, Abachigi is very, very low. And here, no go area.
Ola, you mad?
She's not mad. What she's trying to say is that this place is border and it has been locked. So ever Abachigi or border.
Ola, the immigration man here said this place is border and is locked. And you know that before you can cross border, you need visa, isn't it? All I have my visa, my Belém border. Open border for me, let me enter. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I kneel down.
Just that.
Kneel down.
All if you say I should lie down, I'll lie down.
Kneel down.
What is it? Is it not kneeling down?
Just
I'll kneel down.
Give me the bushmeat.
Onya? The bushmeat. You want to chop bushmeat? Give you the bushmeat. Rest in peace. I will mourn you when I get home. Oh, rest in peace in our pot. Rest in peace. I meet.
Hands up. Hands up.
I should hands up. Is it with my gun or with that gun?
Drop your gun and hands up. Okay, simple order.
I should drop my gun and hands up.
Yeah.
Very easy.
You want all that mass work. So drop your gun. Obey.
Ola, let me tell you. I have dropped it. But Ola, let me advise you. Is this your brother? You should be taking him to burial.
No.
Be taking the car and they go burial. Are they
hands up.
As a burial.
Close your eyes.
Burial man attendant or what?
Just close eye.
Very close.
All I know, I love you. I can do anything for you. Even if you say I should go naked, I will go naked for you. What is there? You understand? Ola, Mamo. Ola, there is something I cannot do for you. Eh? Even if you say I should remove my clothes, Ola, I will go naked just to make you happy. I can even lie down, if you want. Ola. Ola, please now. Ola, how can you do a thing like this to me? It's me, Ola. Ola, please. Help me beg your brother and beg your God. Get to, please. Tell them to cool down for me now. Ola, Biko. Ola. Ola, Mo. Hey. Hey. Bia. What kind of nonsense is this one now?
Nida.
Sorry.
You are an idiot too. Do you know that you are an idiot?
Yes, I know.
Yes, you have to. You see, I was inside the bush since watching you people. You were even kneeling down because of a woman. The animal you gave it to a woman. Don't you know that you are a stupid man?
Yes, I know.
And you see, any more Paranama will kill you because your life is in my hand. Yes, let me tell you, anytime you near Olama again, I will kill you.
Let me tell you. Not because I'm kneeling down. You think you have the bravado to come and be talking nonsense. Your name is Owaboto. Because if I stand up here and bounce on you, in fact, you will not remain. So respect yourself.
Are you still talking?
No, am I crazy?
Say your last prayer because I will kill you. And you go to God, yes, or to hell. Don't you know you are very close to death?
I know.
And your life is in my hand.
Look on, handsome man. Hi, Owaboto. You know, say you fine. You're a very handsome man. Honestly speaking, they call you Owaboto. Your mother made mistake to give you that name, Owaboto. She don't know that God has already clothed you. Look at the way you're looking like a reggae boy.
Confirm.
With your face cap, instead of face cap, it's back cap.
Yes.
Let me tell you, Owaboto, honestly speaking, they born you by mistake in this village. Or not that I'm insulting you, they born you by mistake in this village. Otherwise, they should have given birth to you in Jamaica. or America. Because you're too handsome to come from this village.
So you're even begging?
Yes.
So you can beg like this?
Ah, I'm humble, loyal.
Can you see how the power of God can humble a man? Yeah. See, just because you are begging, even not because I'm in a good mood today, I will just waste you, Sarah. Yes, because I have your life. Now, see, we enter agreement. You will no longer go close to Olam again. If I see you around Olam again, I will kill you.
I don't have Olamma. Olamma is all yours. Even if Olamma don't want to come to your house, I will personally bring Olamma to your house.
So the penalty is that you come to my house to bear the gun.
Penalty?
Yes.
Who blows?
Your penalty.
Oh, penalty. Okay.
Yes.
I thought that time we coach score goal, they say penalty.
So you come to my house to collect it.
It's my gun, no?
You have no option. So you have to agree. Because if you do, I'll kill you. Say yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Thank you.
Oh, Waboto, bring my gun, no. I'm warning you. Return that gun now, no. Or else, Baka. Look at the half human being that is not even up to a man. You came to this place and collected my gun. Olamma, this is because of you. Because of you in this village, I have been receiving a lot of insult from human beings and even from this urchin, this animal that calls himself a Waboto. When I receive insult from human beings, animal is come and insult me. Ola. If I don't get you by will, I will get you by force. I'm telling you. Go and walk Boto. Wage Boto. Thunder will fire you. Fire your father. Fire your father. Fire your mother. Fire your mother.
I just want to make an advice you as my beginning. You hear me? If I see bad thing, if I not tell you, I not be better papa. Make you know they imitate Olamma. That guy, you never know women. He not go take now. That guy go begin look for man where go marry him. You know get that.
But I don't want to come be a prayer for her.
No, because they pray for her, but you know say somebody mistake, you must learn from there.
So what do you come and make her do now?
Make you look for man where go marry you. Look for somebody where go marry you. I won't make you give me grandchild now. Your chest get meaning. Don't show say you be better woman. They attract men. Everything with their body, sweet. I don't try. And from this moment, go up now. When you don't marry, go to your husband's place. That food they consume, they spoil my food. Are you pity for me?
Nothing happen, Papa.
Which one not happen? To born or to marry?
The two of them, it no fit happen.
Okay, no worry. When you finish your nursery school, you let me know.